your wheels look like this and you want them to look like this, let me show you how real quick. Let's literally just dab it in here like so. And get in here, spread it around a little bit like so. Let me just go back and forth. It's a little more of a pain in the butt to get in these little grooves, but a little work. And I'm not even really trying that hard. I'm just kind of doing this real quick to do this video. And you can feel it getting softer. And I can actually hear it. Like, I can feel that there. And I can literally feel it getting smaller and smaller, less and less. I literally do that. Grab your microfiber. Clean that out of there. Look at that. This stuff works like a champ. And this is the end product. That is smooth. That is almost gone, but you can still see a little bit of pitting. Put a little bit of extra elbow grease. I'm pretty sure we can get most of that to go away, like 95% of it. Steel Bowl 000 and this 3M chrome and metal polish. In the link in the description. And that's literally it. I didn't think it would be that easy. I thought I'd be doing this for days, but yeah, quick version. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, please. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and I'm out. Peace.